My name is Covenant Oriako. I graduated from Federal University of Technology, Owerri, and I studied materials and metallurgical engineering. I'm into solar installation, and I recently developed a technical site survey report for my neighbor. He has been complaining of his high electricity bill, high electricity consumption monthly, and I told him, okay, I'll design something for him. And from my TSS, technical site survey report, I inquired, I asked him what he wants to be running, even with the solar. And he said, okay, he wants his air condition on, he wants his fridge, he wants his television, he wants his lights, except from when he's asleep. Right. So okay, I developed something, and from my TSS, he will require about 41 modules of solar panels, 12 battery, inverter rating of 3,354, and solar charge solar charge controller rating of 400 amps by 12 volts. I think this will really help him. He can connect to the grid. He can switch from the grid to the solar installation to really help in reducing his consumption monthly. He's producing his electricity and he's consuming his electricity at no charge just to install. And I would like to ask you to also try to install solar. Is the way is clean. Try. I will encourage you to install it in your home as well. It's clean. It's affordable. I did my best to get the cheapest price by getting the closest areas to install and the shortest distance for wires. So I would like to connect with you via email or email. Thank you. Appreciate